Meaning of fungus.
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 Fungus. Fungus refers to a group of organisms that are classified under the kingdom fungi and can be found in a multitude of environments, including soil, air, water, and even on other living organisms. This group is diverse and includes a wide range of species with different forms and functions. Fungi play vital roles in various ecosystems, such as breaking down organic matter and forming symbiotic relationships with plants and animals. However, some fungi can also cause diseases or produce toxins. Overall, fungi are an important and intriguing group of organisms with a varied impact on the world around us.